Tom, why would you dare eat during class?
Don't worry, my dear son. What a cruel teacher. I will punish you.
Let's continue watching the next video.
Come here and enjoy the best snacks in the world. Come on.
Wow, that's my favorite snacks.
Tom the cat has spent all of his savings to buy a lot of snacks.
Today, I'm going to throw a party during class.
Please listen carefully. This is a very important lesson.
Oh my god, it's absolutely delicious. Great.
Tom, why would you dare eat during class? You need to be punished. Why are you crying? No one can save you now.
Why did you hit me? I was just a little hungry.
Don't worry, my dear son. Mommy will make sure to get justice for you. What a cruel teacher. I will punish you. Mom promises she'll never dare to hit you again.
It's all his fault, your son. He ate food during class. Please forgive me. From now on, I will never hit my students again.
And you can't stop me from having snacks in class anymore. Let's continue watching the next video.
A cat playing with a group of ex-lovers on the beach.
Oh, it seems like I hear some strange noises behind us. Oh no, it's a horde of zombies. I have to get out of here quickly.
Hey kid, do you want to become a hero and save the world?
Of course. So what do we need to do? I'm just a small cat. Is it really true that injecting this serum will turn me into a superhero? Today, I will show you what a super cat can do. Thank you, everyone. I'm so happy to have helped you all. Thank you.
Have you ever done anything useful for your family and society? Even just once?
Like and subscribe to see more great videos.
You all tell me what 1 + 1 equals, okay?
According to my calculations, the result is 3.
Lilyta studied very hard and then fell asleep.
Class is over. Let's go home.
Leave me alone to sleep, you idiot.
When everyone else had already left, Lilyta was still there.
What time is it now? Why did I fall asleep here? I need to go home right away. It seems like there's a very strange sound. Oh my god! It's a ghost! I hope it won't find me here. Please spare me. I'm just a child. Dad, you have to help me. There's a very scary ghost at school.
All right, I'll take care of it.
Tom has been reading the Bible for 2 hours. Have you ever seen a ghost before? Share your story in the comments below.
Let's continue watching the next video.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
What's going on out there?
Oh no, the monster has taken Lilyta. What should I do? That's not a monster. That's Santa Claus. We have to save him.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Like and subscribe to see more great videos.